Good morning to one and all present here. As we all know, in the olden time, India was known as the sea of knowledge. In our country, since 5th century BCE, the world's oldest university, the Nalanda University, where people from all over the world came to study. But time to time, the education system dropped down. And after the Britishers, it almost came to an end. In today's situation, as you all know, here a child knows to invent or not, but it definitely knows the definition of gravity, word to word, like a rattu. But now the government has taken a big change in our education by the new education policy on 29 July 2020. Under this, they have stressed on the vocational, practical, and professional education of children so that they can choose better career options for themselves. As we all know, it is the need of money which can make our education system more better than other countries. That's where India was making a big mistake. We all have money and we want to keep it safe with ourselves. But now Indian government has used it a little brain and the Indian GDP which was 3% used on education system which is now doubled to 6%. You can see the difference which is going to be in the new and the old schools after the policy. And the best thing is that this policy is being signed by the Human Resource Development on 29 July 2020, which is going to be implemented soon in India in every school. In old schools, we used books as to learn and more things. But in new schools, we are going to use laptops, iPads, iPhones, and many other electronic devices. In this policy, they have stressed on vocational activities on children and so that they can choose other career options like mechanic, tailoring, plumber, etc. etc. And after the age of 18, they can work on fields to earn more money and for their better future. And we all know, as we are kids, we make presentations just to get a A grade, nothing else. And we could never be a tech savvy person who loves technology. But in this policy, they have stressed on children to make them tech savvy and love technology and computers very much. And they have also implemented that from 6th grade, teachers are going to teach coding to children so that they can make presentations, apps, applications, and sell them for a better future and for their learning so that they can earn more money in the smallest age. And the biggest problem was the Indian genius was going to the foreign universities to study. But now the Indian new policy has worked on that so that the Indian students don't go outside of our country. India has brought the top 100 universities of the world to India so that the Indian students can study in India and work for betterment of our country. This policy has also worked on the stress of board exams till making a common entrance exam for universities. And that's where I would like to end my video. I hope you all enjoy.